Hey people, this is Iceball, and I'm going to show you how to store your iPod or iPod Touch. So, first of all, you're going to need iTunes, of course, and you're going to need your iPod or iPad plugged in to your computer. And then you're going to want to open up iTunes. And then over on the left-hand column, under devices, you will click your device. And then over here, you might be able to see it, I don't know. You hit shift and restore, but I can't hold the camera and hit it at the same time, so I'm just going to put it down. Yeah, okay, so once you hit shift and restore, this will pop up. And if you have any restores downloaded on your computer, you can just download it. And I have the 4.3.3 because that's what I had before. Then I updated it to 4.3.5, so I downloaded it. And then you click on that, open, and then iTunes will erase and restore your iPod to iOS 4.3.5 and will verify the restored Apple. You click restore, and then it starts extracting the software. Also, a lot of people think you need to put it into DFU mode to restore from a jailbreak, and you do not. Just saying that because I tried it and it doesn't really work too good. So it's easier just to do it like this. Almost done. And if you look, my iPod is just have a bunch of apps, not too much. So yeah, it's that. Okay, that's done. And then it verifies I've had a store with Apple. And then it'll take a couple seconds, maybe a minute, I don't know. Now it's preparing iPod for restore. And then it reboots and it says you need to plug it into iTunes, which I do, as you can see. And the Apple logo will come up because it's rebooting. And this is still preparing for iPod Restore. And then that loader will come up. And this is waiting for iPod. And now it's installing your iPod software, and that'll start loading quickly. Usually goes fast. Okay, that started restoring iPod software, as you can see there. And that also has started. This is going faster than that because this is for the whole restore, kind of, I think. I'm not sure about that, but that's what I think it is. Restoring. That's almost done. That's almost halfway. Okay, that is done. And now it's verifying iPod software. And that's more than halfway done, so it's pretty much almost done. Restores usually go fast, so verifying iPod restore, and that is about done. That's still verifying iPod restore. Okay, now that is done. And that's restoring iPod firmware, which is done already. And then it, shut off because it's rebooting. And Apple logo. Okay, and then it says, your iPod has been restored to factory set. Oh, that got dismissed. That will be rebooting. Motor will come back up, but it will go pretty fast, I think. You can see it's done already. And then it won't make that noise, of course, because, And then we'll see if we need to plug into iTunes, which it is, obviously. Okay, now this will come up. This computer has previously been synced with an iPod or another iOS device. Then you can set up a new iPod or restore from backup, and you can choose what you want to back up from. I'm going to set it up as a new iPod because I want to start fresh with it. And then I'm going to hit continue. And then you can name it. I'm just gonna. Oops. Oh, sorry. Okay. Wait. Okay, so now you can choose this automatically sync songs to my iPod, automatically add photos to my iPod, automatically sync apps to my iPod. I'm just gonna uncheck everything, but if you restore it yourself, you can choose whatever you want it to sync automatically. But I'm just gonna uncheck it, and then you hit done. It'll start syncing, but I do not want it to sync. and it's the normal thing. So yeah, that is how you restore your iPod Touch or iPad. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.